It's been quite a journey so far. Rainy days with Mary Jane. Rainy days with Mary Jane. Off again, off in the mind. That's so mellow. Balling like Carmelo Anthony on the court. I'm just chilling. I can feel all the support. I'm just feeling to show them how I does it. Keep it 100, keep it 1,000. You know what I mean? Keep it like climbing the ladder, climbing the mountain. Know what I mean now? Why y'all pouting? Why y'all sad then? Keep it together if there ain't no sadness. Or if there ain't no madness, you know what this can be. Keeping it cool, keeping it chill, keeping it real. Know what it is, how I reveal. Pulling up in a UFO. You don't even know. I'm just playing though. I'm a human, not an alien. Know what I mean? I'll leave that to Wayne. And that note dissing on the main. It's the rainy days with Mary Jane. We can make it through the pain day to day. We can weather the storm, clouds with the rain, frowns with the sadness and pain. We're puffing the loudest, we gotta tone it down so we don't get called out. I'm doing this here all year. Or as long as I can. That's the plan. Some rainy days with Mary Jane. She helped to cope and maintain. But some days you gotta take a break. Just pump the brakes. Take a day off and vacay. Free your mind. It's rather than mellow minds. Shout out to C. Coles.